Method parameters and return. In the previous video, we learned that methods determine the behavior of an object. They describe what the object does. Most methods require inputs that give details about the work that the method needs to do. For example, the println method has an input, the string that needs to be printed. Method inputs are known as parameters. Methods can also produce output. For example, we can get the length of a string using the length method of the string object. The output of the method is called the return value, and the type of value it returns is called the return type of the method. When a method is defined in a class, it is defined with the parameters it needs and the return type it is expected to produce. For example, here we are defining a robot class, having a method do my homework that does not need input and does not produce an output. This method needs an input for the subject name it has to do homework for. This method produces an output of true or false depending on whether it was able to complete the homework. The method name and the parameter list is also known as the method signature. In this code, do my homework string subject is the method signature. Now let's call this method. First, we need to create an object of the robot class and assign to a reference variable. Then call the method and pass value for the parameter. The parameter subject is replaced with the string computer graphics. When robot successfully completes the homework, it will return a value of true which can be captured in a Boolean variable. If we declare a method to return a value, we must return a value of the declared type. The value returned from the method will be copied to the variable homework done. Let's recap. In this video, we learned about method parameters and return values. Method inputs are known as parameters. Methods can also produce output. The output of the method is called the return value. In a class, a method is defined with the parameters it needs and the return type it is expected to produce. The method name and the parameter list is known as the method signature. The method should be called by passing the values of the correct type. Method will return a value of type same as the return that can be captured in a variable.